Hello, thanks for tuning into my channel. Last month in April, end of April, beginning of May, I went home back to South Dakota. Got to spend a lot of time with my family. It was a lot of fun. One of the highlights was flying in my brother-in-law's new airplane. He has a Bonanza. On this particular day, it was pretty cloudy and windy, so it was kind of turbulent, bumpy, kind of got that roller coaster feel, but not every flight's going to be perfect. We had a great time. We flew this Bonanza outside of Sioux Falls to Cherokee, Iowa. And if you're ever in that area or you do the $100 burger flights, definitely check out Danny's Sports Bar. Has an amazing buffet right off next to the airport. So easy, quick to get to as well. Hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, you made it to the end of the video. I hope you're enjoying the clouds passing by right now. Comment down below on where your favorite flight spot to, where you like to get your $100 hamburgers at, or what plane you have, what you enjoy flying. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, do what you have to do. Encourage me. I love it. Love the videos. I hope to entertain you with my next segment soon. Peace.